The idea of long-haul flights and all that they entail, cramped uncomfortable chairs, questionable airplane food, recycled air, lack of real sleep, just isn't very appealing. I've never met anyone that actually enjoys long-haul flights. But since watching this video, it's safe to assume you aren't that person. Sadly, I'm not either. So, I am Kev from Planet Travelers, and in this video I'm going to share my top 10 tips to survive a long flight in economy class. Tip number 1. Choose the right seat. Check in early and choose your seat. Whether you prefer an aisle seat for moving around, an exit row seat for leg room, or a window seat for sleeping, you only have the option to get the seat you want if you check in ahead of time. Tip number 2. Find comfortable clothes to wear on long flights. This should be given. Just think of an outfit that you'll be happy to wear after 10 hours sat on a plane. Remember, sitting still and being blasted by a powerful aircon system can get chilly, so wearing several loose layers are ideal to adjust your temperature as you fly. Tip number 3. Get your body prepared. Fit in a pre-flight workout to counteract the effects of being sedentary. The day before your flight, spend some time at the gym, walking or stretching in preparation for spending hours in a sitting position. Tip number 4. How to sleep well. The number one way to survive a long flight in economy is to sleep through most of the flight. There are few things you can do to make it more likely to sleep well on your long flight. I recommend bringing either earplugs or noise-cancelling headphones to block out noise and help you sleep. If you have trouble sleeping with lights on, bring an eye mask. You might also find it more comfortable to travel with a neck travel pillow or your own pillow. Don't eat a large meal if you want to go to sleep after dinner. And if you like this video so far, make sure to leave a like. Let's move on. Tip number 5. Bring an empty water bottle through customs. The key to staying healthy and hydrated is water. Airports can and do whack up the price of water, so take an empty bottle or refillable bottle with you. A lot of people don't know they can do this, as obviously you can't take liquids over 100 milliliters through security. But you can take an empty bottle through. Fill it up at the water fountain or ask nicely at the coffee shop. This saves pennies too. Tip number 6. Bring backup entertainment. Don't depend solely on in-flight entertainment. Load your computer, tablet or phone with additional ebooks, music, movies and TV shows in case you run out of onboard options. Make sure all your electronics are fully charged before you fly, and pack a power bank for in-flight charging if necessary. Tip number 7. Download an audiobook or podcast. Airline entertainment has come a long way. Most likely on a long-haul flight you will have a personal TV where you can catch up on your latest shows or watch a new movie. However, getting all that screen time always tires out my eyes. I like to listen to some entertainment instead of watching for some duration of the flight. Be sure to download podcasts or audiobooks before you board the plane so they are already downloaded on your device. Tip number 8. Get moving. Sitting for long periods can increase your risk of blood clots. Get up and walk around the cabin every hour or so, or do simple stretches in your seat. Tip number 9. Snack attack. Pack healthy snacks to keep your energy levels up in between meals. Avoid sugary treats and processed foods, which can leave you feeling sluggish. And finally, tip number 10. Make new friends. Flights are a great opportunity to meet interesting people going your way. Each person on that plane has their own reason for traveling, so why not find out their story? Final thoughts. If you want to survive a long-haul flight without going insane, then make sure to follow the tips above. Do that and you will make it through your long journey with nothing but comfort and ease. When you arrive at your destination, you'll be well rested, refreshed and ready to tackle your next adventure. Follow these tips for long-haul flights and your next journey will be a breeze. Make sure to leave a subscribe and like the video. Safe travels!